Hello my dear students. Today let's listen one beautiful story in English. Unit 5 lesson Funny Bunny. Okay, this is a very beautiful story of one little rabbit and some other animals. You all will like this. So let's listen this story. Then we will know some new words with meaning as usual, make a sentence and some question answer. So listen and watch this story properly. Then also try to read the lesson and then remember new words with meaning and try to frame the sentence by your own. Okay, and also understand question answer. And then write all the things with good handwriting and properly in your 4-line English notebook. So let's start our today's English session. Students, let's start Unit 5 lesson Funny Bunny on page number 8080. This is a very beautiful story of one rabbit, right? One day a nut fell on Funny Bunny. See, this is a rabbit. Okay, one day this Funny Bunny sat under one tree, and when he was sitting there, at that time from the tree, from upward, a nut fell on him. Ouch! The sky is going to fall, said Funny Bunny. And Funny Bunny thought what? That the sky is going to fall. Right? Akash गिरने वाला है. I must tell the king. And he thought that this news I have to tell the king. Who is the king of the jungle? Yes, correct, lion. So he thought that now I will have to go to the lion and I will have to tell everything to the king. On the way, he met Henny Penny. Right? When he was going, to whom he met? He met Henny Penny. The sky is going to fall, said Funny Bunny. And Funny Bunny told to Henny Penny that sky is going to fall. I am going to tell the king. And I am going to tell this news to the king. So I am going to the king. I will come too, said Henny Penny. And Henny Penny told this rabbit that I will also come with you. And off they went to find the king. And now they both have started walking to find out the king. Soon they met Cocky Locky. Now in the way, to whom they met? Cocky Locky means cock. Right? Its name is Cocky Locky. See, Funny Bunny, right? Then Henny Penny, and now they met Cocky Locky. See here, this is a Cocky Locky. The sky is going to fall. Next page. Said Funny Bunny. Now, Funny Bunny also told Cocky Locky that sky is going to fall. Sky गिरने वाला है. I am going to tell the king. I'll come too, said Cocky Locky. And Cocky Locky also told that I will come with you to tell this thing to the king. And off they went to find the king. And they all went to find out the king. On the way, they met Lucky Ducky. Now, on the way to whom they met? They met this Lucky Ducky. The sky is going to fall, said Funny Bunny. Again Funny Bunny told the same thing to the Lucky Ducky also, that oh, the sky is going to fall. I am going to tell the king and I am going to tell this thing to the king. I'll come too, said Lucky Ducky. And Lucky Ducky told that I will also come with you. And off they went to find the king. And they all have started their journey again. On the way they met Pushy Gushy. Now they met to whom? This Pushy Gushy goose, right? The sky is going to fall, said Funny Bunny. I am going to tell the king. Now Funny Bunny told the same thing which he had told to all these, right? This thing he also told to the Pushy Gushy, and off they went to find the king, and Pushy Gushy told him that I will come too. And now they went to the king. On the way they met Voxy Foxy. Now on the way they met whom? Voxy Foxy. Next page. See here, Voxy Foxy is here. Right? See, this is the sign to the fort. Right? Lion always lives in the fort. So here this is the way to show that this side the fort is. So in the way they met Voxy Foxy. The sky is going to fall, they all said. Now they all speak together that the sky is going to fall. We are going to tell the king, and so we all are going to tell this thing to the king. The king lives here, said Voxy Foxy. Follow me. Now what Voxy Foxy told them? That follow me, मेरे पीछे आओ. The king lives here. King यहीं पे रहता है. And that was the end of Funny Bunny, Henny Penny, Cocky Locky, Lucky Ducky and Pushy Gushy. Why? Why it was the end of all these animals? Because what happened when Voxy Foxy told them that follow me, I will show you, the king is here. Then what he had done? Yes, he ate all these animals. Right? Then he ate. सबको खा गया वो animals, birds, सबको. Okay? So it was the end of Funny Bunny, Henny Penny, Cocky Locky, Lucky Ducky and Pushy Gushy. This Voxy Foxy ate all. Right? So this is the beautiful story. You all read this lesson one more time. Right? And we should be aware of what is going around us, and we should not be afraid. We should try to find out really what happened. Okay? So this is the story. Read this lesson one more time.